everybody, and welcome back to another video where today I am playing Bee Swarm Simulator. And right now, guys, I am talking to Black Bear since I finished his thing. Alright, so he says, the pollen from each field produces slightly different honey. Most people can't tell the difference, but I can. That's why I love it here. There's such a variety of flower patches. Each field is different, sunflowers, mushrooms, clovers. But today I've got a hankering for dandelion-flavored honey. Why don't you collect some pollen from the dandelion field? 250 should be enough. Alright, guys, I got my quest. That's sunflowers. Here's the dandelion. Let's go. 250, so actually I need this up. Come on. Oh, looker bee. No, I'm not gonna be there. Ugh. Why? Yes, I will take that. And here's my looking bee thing. I have no idea what that does, but I believe it does something amazing. That is why I'm going to just keep going like this. Hopefully. Okay. That's all I can do. Let's go talk to this dude. I want to know what that does. Oh, I think it's another shop. Nice job! Here's a reward. Come to talk to me again when you're ready for another quest. Alright. Let's see. I don't think he gave us a reward. That was a ripoff. Oh. Discover 25 bee types to fire the red can. Oh, guys. That looks awesome. What is puppy bee egg? These are eggs? Dude. Okay. I should, hopefully we'll remember that. Come on, guys, make honey. Wait, he doesn't. What are you people looking at? Huh? I like this dude mainly. Oh, he must give me honey. Oh. Aren't bees amazing? Yes, they are. They collect pollen, make honey, and even defend you from attackers. But did you know some bees are even more amazing than others? There are 4 classes of bees: basic, rare, epic, and legendary. Basic bees all look and act the same, but there are different types of rares, epics, and legendaries. And those all have special abilities. Some of them are faster or stronger. Some of them even create tokens that give you special boosts. Those bees are pretty hard to get in basic eggs. But a silver egg has a guaranteed chance of being at least a rare. If you complete my next few quests, I'll give you a silver egg. Oh yes, don't expect it to be easy. First, collect 500 pollen. Dude, that's the easiest thing I've ever heard. Mwahaha! Come on, bees! Let's gather 500 pollen. Ooh, honey, 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 honey. Beautiful honey. Quests. Alright. 'Cause with my 750 pack, I can get a lot of pollen. So, wait, my looker bee. Oh, my looker bee's asleep. Oh. Yes. Alright, let's go get the next quest. Alright. Nice job! Here's a reward to hold you over. A few more quests and the silver egg is yours. That's right, no egg yet. You've got to work for it. Alright. Ooh, 500 pollen? Dude, that's good. This guy gives good stuff. Ooh, more honey. Alright, let's get the quest before I go to make honey. Alright. There are 3 colors of flowers on this mountain. Red, white, and blue. If a bee is red, it collects twice as much pollen from red flowers. And if a bee is blue, it collects twice as much from blue flowers. Working in fields that match the color of your bees helps you collect pollen faster. For my next request, I want you to collect 600 pollen from red flowers. Okay, 600. That's actually a little bit harder. But the real question is, where is the red? Where's the red stuff? The red flowers. I'm guessing it's the mushrooms. Where the mushrooms are. Can't really see. Excuse me. Anyway, let's go and see. Are those red flowers? Ah, here's the red flowers, definitely. Yep. Oh my word! Kill him, my pretties! Kill him, kill him. Oh, yeah. This is the best way to do it, guys. Poof! Oh, yes. Alright, guys, so the thing is, it says the color will determine how much you get. I don't have any red bees, so that's the problem for me. Whoa. That's annoying. Well, once I get 5,500, 5,500 honey, I will definitely get a new pack. So yeah. Basic bee, come on! It's just slumbering and then like... Anyway. Come on. Nice. Alright. Let's go. Ooh. I have enough for the next thing. Let's see how fast it takes me to get to 11,000, huh? I wonder. Okay. There we go. All the red stuff is done. So let's go get some the quest completed and more honey. This should give us a lot of honey. Alright. Nice job! Here's a reward to hold you over. 2 more quests and the silver egg is yours. 2 more quests. 600... Oh, dude. Pollen from blue flowers has always tasted slightly minty to me. Brown Bear tells me it's all in my head. He just doesn't have a refined taste palate like I do. Speaking of blue flowers, could you collect 1,000 pollen from blue flowers for me? Sure, dude. Right after I make some more honey. Honey. I'm hilarious. Anyway. Alright. Let's go see how much the last pack costs. Probably way more than 11,000, but we'll see. Maybe like 15,000, who knows. Anyway. 5,500. This is 22,000. Okay. You know what? I'm buying this. And then, this is 5,500 too. So, that's what we're going for. Alright, now that I can hold 3,500, this will be a piece of cake. Hopefully. Anyway, this is where blue flowers congregate the most. And yes, there is a rhino beetle. Bees! Help me. Thank you. There we go. Nice. Anyway. Let's go. Come on. Also, this is going to get my, honey skills a lot better. Anyway, guys, I am going to skip until I have the silver egg. So, yeah, I will see you all there. Alright, guys, I have basically gotten it. And as you can see, my variety fetcher was my last thing. So with your dedication, I trust the bee that hatches from this silver egg will go on to become a very fine honey maker. Here you go. Yes! Alright, let's go here. Silver egg. Oh my gosh. Yes, 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 yes. Wrong way! Alright, first off, though, I think this rare basic bee will go into a brave bee. Thank you. Alright, then the silver egg will go right here. Exhausted. Oh, come on. Suffers from insomnia. It moves slowly, but never has to sleep. Oh, that's cool. Make bee, people! Or bees, should I say. Anyway, strawberries. I will go here. Level up 1. All 5. 3 blueberries I will give to this one. And more. All 2. Dude, I have 6,000, and this pack is doing amazing. Like, literally, I'm very happy with it. Anyway, I think I have 4 types of bees now. The exhausted, the looker, the brave, and then that one. No idea what that is, though. Alright. 5,500. Oh, look at this. The vacuum, people. 14,000. That is just hilarious. Literally. It's really hilarious. Anyway. I wonder where you buy silver eggs. Anyway. 4,250. Alright, that should not be that hard, honestly. Hey, there's another quest for me from the black bear. You've proven yourself to be a fine beekeeper. From here on out, I'll give you much harder tasks to complete. If you complete 10 of them, I'll give you a gold egg. A gold egg always hatches into an epic or legendary bee. So you ready for a real challenge? Yes, sir. Collect 4,000 pollen from the bamboo field. I don't think I have the bamboo field unlocked. I think it's right over the... What? Where the heck is the bamboo field? Okie dokie. That's where the bamboo field is. So, guys, I'm not going to be getting there in this episode, sadly. But yeah, I should... Dude, the magnet goes super fast. Like, look at the radius. That's great. Is there more royal jelly up? No, there is not. Anyway, there is royal jelly up there, and I'm guessing you have to go onto the dandelion. What? How do you get up there then? No idea. Anyway, I'm going to go up here then. And, oh, you need 8 things discovered. Alright, then I will go over to this brown bear and see what its quest is for me. Wait. 4 legendary bee types. That's annoying. Real annoying. What's this? Use the wealth clock. Wow. Alright, talk to Brown Bear. Hey there, I'm Brown Bear. You ever heard of royal jelly? Yeah, I can see one right behind you. It's a special food that changes a bee's type. Guys, yeah. Apply it to a bee's honeycomb cell, and it'll instantly transform. The great thing... I'm gonna just skip this. Anyway, guys, that's it for this episode. Hope you all have enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye!